Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will help you fix Roblox not having enough space. First, check your device's available storage. You might need at least 1 GB free for smooth operation. Next, make sure your Roblox application is fully updated to its newest version. Finally, try restarting your device completely. This simple step can often clear up temporary files and resolve minor glitches, giving Roblox the room it needs to run properly. A common culprit for storage issues is accumulated cache data. You can clear the Roblox cache directly from your device's application settings. This removes temporary files that Roblox no longer needs. If that doesn't work, consider deleting and then reinstalling the Roblox application entirely. This process ensures you have a fresh installation, free from any corrupted files or old game data taking up valuable space on your device. Sometimes, the issue isn't just Roblox, but your overall device storage. Take a moment to uninstall any applications you no longer use. Many apps can consume hundreds of megabytes or even several gigabytes. Also, consider moving large personal files, like old photos or videos, to cloud storage or an external drive. Freeing up general device space will directly benefit Roblox, allowing it to download and run without issues. If you frequently encounter storage problems, it might be time to consider a device with more internal storage. Many devices offer options for 128 gigabytes or even 256 gigabytes. For ongoing maintenance, regularly review your device's storage usage and delete unnecessary items. Utilizing cloud services for documents and media can also significantly reduce the burden on your device, ensuring Roblox always has ample room.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.